Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, we are going to dive into something that every cleaning business will have to face at some point: callbacks. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. Handling callbacks professionally is crucial, not only for keeping your clients happy, but also for maintaining the reputation of your business. So let's talk about how to turn this challenge into an opportunity to shine. First off, what exactly is a callback? In the cleaning business, a callback is when a client reaches out because they're not satisfied with a part of the service or feel that something was missed. And guess what? It's completely normal. No matter how well trained your team is, mistakes can happen. And the key is in how you respond. Responding to callbacks properly will help build a long-term trust and could even result in loyal clients who appreciate your responsiveness. Step number 1 is be prepared. The best way to prevent callbacks is to be proactive. Always have a detailed checklist in place before starting any form of cleaning job. Break down the tasks by room or area to ensure that nothing is overlooked. It's helpful to train your staff on the process as well so that they get into the habit of self-checking before they leave the client's property. But if a callback does happen, treat it as an opportunity to demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Step number 2, listen carefully. When a client calls about an issue, your first priority is to listen carefully. Allow them to explain the issue fully without interrupting. Active listening not only helps you understand their concerns, but also reassures the client that you value their feedback. Take notes if necessary and repeat the issue back to them to ensure you've understood their concern accurately. A client who feels heard is much more likely to remain loyal, even if a mistake was in fact made. Step number 3, apologize and acknowledge. Even if you believe that the issue is minor or that your team performed well, always acknowledge the client's dissatisfaction. A simple apology like, "I'm so sorry you're unhappy with this part of the service. I completely understand your concerns and want to make it right." Phrases like this will help build trust and show your professionalism. This is a critical moment where you can either lose the client or turn them into an advocate for your cleaning business. Hey cleaning family, if you guys are looking to start and grow your very own multi-six-figure cleaning business, please be sure to comment the word ultimate in the comments, and we will send you a link to our ultimate cleaning business bundle, which is made up of our top 6 digital products and is on sale for a limited time only. Step number 4, respond quickly. Timelessness is everything when handling a callback. Ideally, you should respond within the first 24 to 48 hours to schedule a time to address the issue. A quick response signals to your client that you prioritize their concerns. You can say something like, "Thank you for letting us know. I'll make sure we address this right away. When is a good time for us to come back and fix the issue?" Being prompt and professional will go a long way in setting your business apart from competitors. Believe me, we have experienced this ourselves. Step number 5, go the extra mile. When resolving a callback, don't just fix the specific issue. Go above and beyond. Offer a complimentary service, even if it's something small, like wiping down additional surfaces or vacuuming an extra room. This gesture not only resolves the problem, but leaves a positive impression, transforming the callback into an opportunity to wow your client. A little extra effort can help turn a potentially unhappy client into a repeat customer. Step number 6, follow up. Once the callback has been addressed, make sure to follow up with the client. A quick phone call or email shows that you're serious about providing excellent service and ensuring their complete satisfaction. This also opens up opportunity for them to give you feedback on how the corrected service went. Something like, "I just wanted to follow up and see how everything was after our last visit. Are you satisfied with our services now?" goes a long way with client retention. Step number 7, track and learn from callbacks. Every callback is a learning opportunity. Keep a record of callbacks and identify any patterns. Are certain issues happening frequently with specific staff members or types of services? Use this data to improve your training, processes, checklists, or client communication. This way, you'll reduce the likelihood of the same mistakes happening again, enhancing your overall service quality over time. Step number 8, educate clients on expectations. Sometimes clients may have unrealistic expectations about what a cleaning service includes. It's a great idea to set clear expectations from the beginning. Provide your clients with a scope of work document or service agreement outlining what is and what is not included in each cleaning. This can help reduce callbacks related to misunderstandings. Remember, handling callbacks is a part of business, and how you manage them can set you apart from your competitors. By being responsive, respectful, and thorough, you'll turn what could have been a negative situation into a positive experience for your client. So the next time a callback comes in, view it as an opportunity to reinforce your business's values. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to grow your cleaning business. Also, be sure to check out my members only videos. Also, let me know in the comments, how do you guys handle callbacks in your business? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay professional and keep your clients happy.